So the official render images of the Galaxy S24 series have leaked. I am dying to show them to you, but unfortunately there is this annoying copyright strike preventing me from doing so. You see, my channel is still pretty small at this moment and I really don't want to lose any more views. The sad reality is my views are already on the lower side. But the upcoming Galaxy S24 is going through the same motions as its predecessor and the first official render showcasing the base and plus model. These renders of the S24 reveal a variety of official color options such as yellow, violet, graphite and silver. Not surprisingly, the render shows that the design of the S24 is quite similar to its predecessor, the S23, with the only notable changes being the addition of a flat frame and some minor tweaks. This is how the S24 will look side by the iPhone 15 Pro. As you can see, the bezels are a little smaller in the S24. Additionally, the back of the S24 features a glass panel that gently curves around the edges, giving it a sleek look like 2.5D glass. Samsung is really going all out with the Galaxy S24 series this time, making history. Even though they haven't made major changes in the design, Samsung has an excellent plan in store for us with the software, including some amazing AI features. A recently confirmed Galaxy S24 can text via satellite in emergencies like iPhones. Proof: a screenshot from One UI 6.1 shows Samsung's emergency texting feature for the Galaxy S24 called Emergency Text via Satellite. Use it to send emergency text when out of the range or not connected to a mobile network. Samsung's One UI 6.1 set to launch on the Galaxy S24, featuring generative AI including AI-generated wallpapers, a photo editor and Samsung Notes auto format. The feature also allows live translation of voice calls between languages, transforming lengthy notes into bullet points and handwriting notes into text. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to feature a flatter display, faster chipset and enhanced 50-megapixel 5x telephoto camera. The base models may not have these upgraded features. The S24 Ultra may have a titanium frame while the base and plus model may have an aluminum armor option. The Galaxy S24 may launch with an AI-powered chatbot that can answer questions and solve math problems, possibly a few weeks after its launch. The phone can monitor voice calls and offer suggestions such as adding tasks to the do list or making a calendar entry. Samsung will soon release the Galaxy S24 series in January. We can expect to learn more details about these devices, including pricing, which is a major point of interest. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.